happy morning everyone. I am happy to introduce myself. I am Shenadiro, Has Teacher 1 applicant to show you my demonstration. And the subject to be taught is TLE 7. Good morning everyone. Good morning class. Alright, let us all stand up for our morning prayer. Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for your love and protection. Jesus, continue to open our minds and hearts on what we are about to learn. Holy Spirit, guide us. This is all we ask. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. So good morning again. So before you sit, please pick up the pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. So I am glad no one's absent today. For that, give yourself a bird clap. 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, wait. Alright. Before we proceed to our lesson for today, let us have our recap on what we discussed last time. Alright, so I'm gonna show you pictures here and tell me what kind of hazard is this? What kind of hazard is this? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Alright, very good. That's a physical hazard. How about this one? Alright, that's a biological hazard. Very good. Next, how about this one? Yes, very good. That's a chemical hazard. Next, very good. That's an ergonomic hazard. Very good. The topics we discussed last time were, we have physical, ergonomical, chemical, and biological. For that, give yourself a clap. So before we start to our new lesson, may I ask everybody to please stand up and let us have our energizer.
By resources in the upper and the people who take care of you, their essential clothes, keep you safe. And we call it PPE, PPE. Personal protective equipment, PPE. They call it PPE, PPE. Come on and dance along to our PPE song. Protect you, protect me, we'll protect the whole community. With the proper use of PPE, we'll all be safe and strong. Protect you, protect me, we'll protect the whole community. With the proper use of PPE, we'll all be safe and strong.
Alright, very good. So I hope you had fun with that energizer. So remember, as you watch that PPE song dance, to remember that safety clothing is very important in the workplace as it protects the users against any hazards and healthy risks. So it lessens the likelihood of illness, injury, what else? Legal issues, and it ensures a safety and happy working environment. From the video, from the dance, what do you think is our topic for today? Very good. It's all about PPE, correct? Can you see this green box here? Alright, so what do you think is inside this box? Alright, very good. That's PPE. So I'm gonna ask a volunteer to get those PPE inside the box, show it to your classmate, and read the description on the card about what you have picked. We have long pants and we have long sleeves. Long sleeves and long pants protect our limbs and body from metal rust, flaming combustions, flying clips, minutes, particles, and stray metallic objects. What is this? Safety shoes. This is a safety goggles. This, very good. It's a safety helmet.
Next, what is this? Good.
Ear muffs.
Next, what is this?
Gloves.
Next, what is this? Good.
Mask.
So I will arrange you into 4 groups and you will collaborate with your group mates about your insights on how the different PPEs are applied on the motion pictures or movies you watch, vlogs, or personal experiences. It can also be from the experiences of your friends, neighbors, or relatives.
I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to collaborate with your group mates, and then after that, you will share your insights in front of the class. 2 minutes starts now. Time's up. Alright, so we will start from the group 1. Group 1, you may now share your insights in front of. Very good, group 1. Let's give them a clap. Very good. Next, group 2, share your insights in front of the class. Very good. Let's give them a clap. Group 3, very good. Group 4, very good. Alright, give yourself a big clap.
So now I'm gonna give you another group activity. This activity is called Fit It to Your Model. In my hands are a strip of papers with numbers. This will determine the sequence for your performance.
Get one, get one, get one, get one.
Next, on my other hand, are a strip of papers written with colors. So each colors correspond circumstances or instances written in a cartolina paper. So in this, you will use your skill in selecting the PPE in a given situation. So here is the instruction. One of your members
member will stand here to serve as your model. With the help of your group mate, fit the PPE to your model. Other members of the group should have to defend on why did they choose that PPE to your model. And you have 2 minutes to do the instruction. So here's the rubrics for your performance you can refer to. 20 points if you select and demonstrate properly the different personal protective equipment. 10 points for teamwork. 15 points for confidence. 5 points for your speed. A total of 50 points. Who got number 1? So, what situation did you pick? Right, you have 2 minutes to do the instruction in front. Very good. Let's give them a clap. Who got number 2? So, what situation did you pick? You have 2 minutes to do the instruction in front. Let's give them applause. Who got number 3? What situation did you pick? You have 2 minutes to do the instruction. That's nice. Okay, let's give them a clap. Who got number 4? What situation did you pick? You have 2 minutes to do the instruction. Let's give them a clap. So class, what are the PPEs we discussed earlier? We have earmuffs, we have helmet, we have gloves, we discussed about safety shoes, we discussed about safety goggles, dust mask, and long sleeves and long pants. Very good. So we have 7 types of PPE we discussed today. How can you relate our lesson into our real life situation? Yes? Very good. So knowing the different use of PPE is very important for our safety while working. We can also share our knowledge to our friends and family, especially if our parents are working in a place wherein there are a variety of hazard and risks. By sharing the importance of PPEs will help them keep safe. So since you know the different PPE and the important use of them, get your 1/4 sheet of paper, name your paper, and number your papers 1 to 5. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So got 5 points? Very good. All of you got 5 points. Give yourself a clap. Is there any question about our topic today? So for your assignment, list down the PPE you can see in your house and study in advance the 5S. You understand? That'll be all for today's class. Good day.